fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Guys said you want to start seeing maybe one shoe per video instead of the 3 shoes per video. So I'm going to try that format out and see how you guys like it. The other videos are too long. 10 minutes is a long time to watch sneaker videos, I guess. I'm going to try to leave it to 3 to 4 minute shows. We'll get you guys a little bit of box action. This box is the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Sail Black and Starfish, aka the Jordan 4 Retro Starfishers. This was a pretty good show. Get you guys verified shoe out the box. The StockX pair. If you like Jordan 4s, I'm guessing that you probably went after a pair of these. It's got black, like netting over an orange Jordan 4. Doesn't look too bad. Jordan 4 orange hits all over the shoe as well. Deconstructed upper tongue, if you can see that. I gave a little exposed tongue on the shoe. Jump man on the back. You can see more orange hits. I'm going to give you a pair of black laces though. There's no extra laces in this shoe, but I guess that's normal for Jordan 4. I had these for a minute. Got this pair for selling. I'm not able to wear these shoes, so like I said in my previous videos, all the shoes I'm unable to wear are going to be going. I will only be keeping one. Let me turn my little StockX code over. You guys don't try to jot my StockX code. But like I said, the StockX verified pair. Black netting under. Clean shoe. Pretty good shoe, in my opinion. Very good shoe. Take care of the shoe with some stain repellent or something like that. Water and stain repellent. You should be okay for a while. Shouldn't crease too much, but I would still put some type of crease protector in the front of the shoe, and I would put some type of sole protector on the bottom. But these are great Jordan 4 outsoles. Hey guys, one more 360. Let me know what you think about the Jordan 4 Starfish. How would you have changed it if you designed it? Exposed air unit in the back. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a look at the shoe. As you will see it when it's on your foot. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe on the video. Let me know how you guys like this new format of the single shoe. Everybody take it easy and stay safe out there. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump.